samla puli degree bakwa banshim NCC mentah kilala panshim yaka kum kawei nak elective subject dah jing pen bena da ulat ka jella usatya pal malik ubalapan bena ha ka program balapan nong hayeng dorbar hayeng ulat mentah ka singi arpu arta regunaitung arjar arpuwei habakran hakani ka singi ulat ka jella usatya pal malik ulapan bena bagajing pentrai kam yakane ka rai ka long hadien bala yo dorkas ban Pynrung ka NCC kum kawei ni subject na ka benda ki samla puli college bat kani kan ai jing mentor shipun ya borok ki samla ki badan jing trang ban lep ha mar kani ka long ka subject ka ban yarap ban kham kiyo ha borok ki liang ulapan rap group badala de hi uladap long wei na ki NCC hagi por badang samla bot lo yo shipun ki jing mentor ha borok ki liang ula ai ka jing ro e ka jing shim khia na ka liang ka office NCC but nihu ha kani ka jing Pynrung ya ka NCC kum ka wei na ki elective subject ki ba ai jing kran ha kani ka singi ki long Major General Ananta Buyan Additional DG NCC North East Directorate but Vice Chancellor ka nihu u Professor SK Srivastava
Director General NCC North East Region Mrs. Mian President Jason Yadav Group Commander NCC Shillong Professor S.K. Srivastava, Vice Chancellor Nehru, and Shri Sunirban Bhattacharya, Director of Higher and Technical Education. As an ex-NCC cadet myself, I am very happy with the implementation of the proposal to make NCC an elective subject in Nehru. I am fully aware of the efforts that the NCC cadets put in for various activities. Now with this positive step, not only will the academic pressure on them ease, but they will also get more time to pursue their interests. This decision will make NCC a lot more attractive to the students as it would be a scoring subject and also provide them a lot of opportunities to develop their leadership skills, character and physical fitness. I am sure that the University and NCC Directorate are making efforts to educate the student population on this, as time spent in NCC as a cadet is a life-changing experience that equips you with all the skills required to succeed in life and be responsible citizen of this country. I myself attribute my success in public service to the training I received and the values I imbibed in NCC. I hereby announce the promulgation of NCC as an elective subject in Nehru. I congratulate the ADG, NCC and Vice Chancellor on this important day. I am sure that the students of various colleges of Nehru and people of Meghalaya as a whole will benefit from it. ये जो गवर्नर होता है इसको स्पीच पकड़ा दी जाती है, तो ये जो मुझे पकड़ाई गई थी वो मैंने बोल दी.